So you get a view, closer view of the Masjid Al-Haram. You get to see the people down there. You get to see the street. You know, this is the Hyatt Hotel next door. But this is literally the best part about this room, really close up of the clock tower. All right, guys, so this hotel was rated the best hotel for 2022 on TripAdvisor. The Imam, the prayer from the Haram Masjid, does have a speaker in your room, so you can see right here. So you have access to pharmacy, food court, coffee shop, Starbucks, you name it. You have it all here. So it's really, really convenient.
Best coffee ever.
Good?
Very good.
You're in a happy place?
Very good.
All right, guys, so this hotel was rated the best hotel for 2022 on TripAdvisor. So we'll see if it's worth it or not, and we'll let you know at the end of the video. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another honest review video. In today's video, it's all about Conrad, Mecca. So we literally just checked out a Hilton Convention Center. If you've not seen that video, definitely check that out. But today, it's all about Conrad. So with that said, let's get started. All right, so this is a standard room. We're on the 9th floor. This is 921 is our room number. It's a very, very spacious room. 2 queen beds. The sofa does open up into a bed, which I did not know that. If I knew, I would have done a king bed. So that is a really neat feature. And then you have a working desk right here and a walk-in closet where you can close the doors, so the pocket doors. So you can close the doors here. Plenty space to put your storage. As you can see, we got our baby crib, we got Cito's crib, we got the stroller, and we still got plenty of room left. You get 1 TV here, coffee, tea area. These are free bottles of water. These are the large size, which is pretty cool. And of course, the best thing about this room is the partial Haram view. You can sit here and do your prayer from here and follow the people along. Amazing, amazing view for sure. The Imam, the prayer from the Haram Masjid, does have a speaker in your room, so you can see right here. All right, let me show you the bathroom. Double doors. Makes it look really nice and big. You have 1 sink, wall-to-wall mirror, which once again makes the place look really big. Your typical bathroom, toilet, all tile, all the way up. And this is the shower, walk-in shower. You have a shower handle right here, and you have a shower tower from the top. And then you do have a bench that you can sit. So this comes in handy, and looks like you can move it, which is pretty cool. So this will come in handy if you're trying to watch the kids or just sit down and relax. But really nice bathroom. All right.